Oh, hey there.
Oh, hey, kind of scared me there.
Scared you? What, you challenging me or something? Scared you.
No, I mean, I was...
Challenging me? I don't back down from challenges, okay?
Okay, sorry, wait, who are you?
Name's Rick, and you're looking at the park ranger around here.
Does anyone ever call you Ranger Rick?
No, never.
Okay. I was just doing a little bit of maintenance. Hope it's not a big deal, making a little bit of a mess. I didn't know if I should ask someone, but I hope I don't get like written up or something like that.
Written up. Right you up, right you up, right you up. Ranger Rick, old scary Ranger Rick coming to right you up.
Cocking.
No. No, I wouldn't do that. But the Ranger Rick, that's something I like. You can call me that. You can call me that anytime, but don't you go telling anyone else about it.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to cocking then, if it's no problem with the maintenance stuff, all right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you behave yourself.
Yeah.
I don't want to see you getting written up.
No. What's wrong with you?
I told you, I don't back down from challenges. You challenged me. This is mine. Ranger Rick.
Do you mind if we then at least like put the music back on? Or?
Yeah, it's not a chance of that happening.